Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
When one development has everything you need, one tends to give thanks daily and twice on Sundays. Oceanpointe has a complete package to make this house not just a home, but gives it the ability to be a great investment, the ultimate homestead, or even the greatest vacation home ever. This complex has two pools, basketball court, badminton court, walking track, gym, views of the ocean, plus a brand new commercial center that will provide access to shopping and ease of living. Two bedrooms, two bathrooms with tray ceilings, soft close cabinets, and the backyard sizable enough for grilling, creating a beautiful garden or even throwing up a private playground. Many options are available for your discerning taste buds and for your future planning. The land area of this house is 3,865 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $320,000 or Jamaican $49.2 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.